Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Astaire Slide. Now this is one of the more complicated intermediate moves. It's based on a first move, so knowing a first move you really need to know that already. Having some familiarity leading footwork in a first move would be really useful as well. So if you've got that under your belt, you're ready to go. Links in the description below to some things that will help you to do that. So the move on its own looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So we're going to break it down. I'm going to head over to this side to give you the best view. And we start off man's left, lady's right. It starts exactly like a first move. It also ends exactly like a first move. So obviously the tricky bit is the middle. So we go back 1. Inside by side 2. We twist out 3. A couple of things we need to do. 1, that right hand is going to connect better for what we're going to do on the lady's shoulder blade rather than her hip. That left hand, ballroom grip, so guy's thumb, lady's thumb gap, fingers gently curled round. And the other thing is the guy weights his back foot, which we don't normally do. So we're as far back as the ladies. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to step square to our partners. So we come in facing each other, right in front of each other. Then we're going to go through with the guy's right, lady's left. And then that was single time. We're going to do the same thing double time. So we're going to go square through, square through. Now the most unusual bit, we come square but feet together. We go down and up, a little bounce. We add a second bounce with a lunge to the right and leave the toe behind. We draw the toe up, step through the middle, step square, twist out, and finishes the first move. In, underneath and face, return and back. Now there's lots of ways to style this. But the original kind of feel of this was very kind of Fred Astaire musicals movie, and some of the things we're going to say when we go through it the second time are going to help you with that feel. Okay, but we're also obviously going to talk numbers. So we go semicircle and back 1, inside by side 2. It's a good idea to go for the shoulder blade on 2. Twist out side by side on 3. We're going to come square and we're going to look at our partner on 4, and we're going to hold that look. So you can go for a kind of a quite intense look in the eyes thing at this point. So 4, come through the middle. 5, keep the look going. For 6, we're going to double time. And 7, we do the same. 8, we come in for the little bounce. Then it's the lunge and look down on 1. Drawing up, we can go 2, through the middle. 3, stepping square. 4, twisting out. 5, in 6, turning 7 and 8, return 1 and 2. Now, when we had the look with our partner all the way out, we got to the far end, we did our little bounce, look down to the toe as you do your lunge, keep an eye on it as it's coming in, so we're lifting up to draw the toe in. And then as we go through the middle, we're going to look where we're going. And we have this nice strong position with the back arm where we get the elbows meeting strong L shapes. So looking where we're going. And then as we come square, we look back at our partner, and then it's back to normal because we're back into the first move. Okay. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, and Astaire Slide. We go back. In, twist, look, through, square through, together, bounce, lunge, draw it through, and step, square, twist, twist, turn, and face, return, and back. And that is it. I guarantee you will need to practice that a few times. Just draw the video back, watch it as many times as you need until you feel comfortable. And if you have any questions, you can always pop them in the comments below, and I will do my best to help. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end of something appropriate to this move to practice to. That's the right tempo and the right feel. That's the little boxes that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And I think that's it. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.